laughter dreams. That was where learning began. And that was where our cup and bulbul can shine with smile, with spirit, with endless energy. Every day started at 9 a.m. with prayers, with claps, with fresh food. Little hands learned big habits, cleaning, arranging, caring. Songs echoed, games sparkled, confidence grew, creativity flowed, morals rose, tree glowed, teamwork bloomed. Friends became family, leaders were born, hearts united. Lunch was shared, laughter was spread, memories were made. As the sun bore down, reflection rose, and when the journey ended, those moments stay forever like stars in young hearts, lighting path of courage, joy, and dreams. Stay tuned on your mini buzz. When the earth whispers in the language of leaves and wind sings stories of tomorrow, young hearts listen.
And today those hearts spoke back through morning assemblies who love for Mother Earth.
Class 6B became the voice of nature with rhythm, with words, with wisdom.
They dance for the rivers, they move for the mountains, they perform for the future.
Slogans echoed, articles inspired, poems touched souls.
They told us why to save the environment, they showed us how to protect it, they remind us to care.
Every step carried a message, every word carried a hope.
Every smile promised responsibility.
Through this beautiful effort, we learned to respect nature.
We learned to reduce waste, to save water, to plant life, to protect our planet.
ईद को आग लगा जरा सहरा की प्यास बुझा जरा घन इतना बरस के गलने लगूं मैं पानी की उम्र कर दे दूं बहने दे मुझे बहने दे मुझे बहने दे मुझे बहने दे ओ बहने दे मुझे बहने दे मुझे बहने दे मुझे बहने दे.
With grateful hearts and great dreams, we appreciate the performance of Class 6B.
Kudos to our young eco warriors.
Stay inspired.
Yesterday, having noticed how the air feels different these days, like every tree is describing green and deadline.
Yes, Sagar, it feels like the season of focus where silence speaks to books and efforts.
Practical exams are going on in full swing in science labs, computer rooms, and skill-based subjects.
Students walk with files and formulas and confidence shining in their eyes.
Along with this, revision tests are sharpening young minds.
Pages turn faster and determination grows stronger.
And before this journey, school followed its sacred tradition.
The Ashirvachan Havan offering prayers and blessings for our class 10 and 12 students.
With divine grace and teachers' guidance,
Our learners step ahead with faith and courage.
next stars are preparing for sunrise, they are ready to shine.
So stay calm and believe in yourself.
Wishing everyone all the best.
Stay focused.
Khammagadi. Winds of the world whisper stories in our corridors, and our campus turned into a canvas of cultures, colors, and hearts.
Yes, our school truly glowed up with memories, where every smile counts, story, and every moment shine like a star.
Welcome to the Spotlight section, where we celebrated not just an event, but emotions, experiences, and everlasting bonds. Our Global Heritage Cultural Exchange program was more than a celebration. It was a journey beyond borders, a bridge between tradition and a festival of unity. We were privileged to welcome our special guests, Miss Eve and Miss Joy, all the way from UK, who shared their beautiful experiences with our students. Their words inspired dreams, their smiles spread warmth, and their presence strengthened our global connection. Adding pride to the celebration, our respected fathers participated in the Safa Time activity, standing tall with their children, a symbol of honor and heritage. And the atmosphere became magical when our graceful mothers performed the Groomer dance, turning every step into poetry and every movement into melody. It was not just a program but a harmony of cultures, a meeting of hearts and a reflection of shared humanity.
As we moved forward, we carried not only memories, but values, respect, and global friendship.
From roots to wings, from tradition to tomorrow.
This celebration reminded us that when cultures united, the world became a beautiful family.
मेरा नाम चक्रवर्ती सिंह है। मैं आज BJDS स्कूल में आया हूँ जहाँ मेरे बच्चे पढ़ते हैं क्लास 4th में। आज का जो प्रोग्राम था वो ब्रिटिश एजुकेटर मिस ईव एंड मिस जॉय के साथ में अपनी जो कल्चर है उसके एक्सचेंज के लिए प्रोग्राम था। ये प्रोग्राम बहुत अच्छा लगा। हम चाहते हैं कि आगे भी इस तरीके के प्रोग्राम होते रहे और हमें अपने कल्चर पे, अपनी संस्कृति पे गर्व हो।
Good afternoon. My name is Mrs. Kiran Rathod. I am the mother of Dhyan Singh Khichi. He studies in grade 6th B in the school currently. This is his first year. He's joined in this session as only. And I am mesmerized. I am actually speechless the way the school presents all the different events, cultural programs for the kids. They manage to balance between academics and co-curricular. It is actually amazing, and heads off to the teachers and management of the school. And talking about today's event, I am actually speechless. Like, I'm using this word for the second time, but actually I am speechless. The way they have presented, like, absolutely, the ladies gorgeously dressed up in traditional attire, performing Ghumar in the group performances and platforming, like showcasing their culture. And with that, like, it is like highly, I would recommend all the school to follow these kind of curricular things so that kids not only learn the academics things like studies, but they get rooted and they get to know about the culture. Like, every now and then they come up with something very close to culture. Like today's event only, if we talk about, it's Ghumar and Safa tying. Like, parents, both the parents were invited, males for the Safa tying and ladies for the Ghumar. So there were so many mothers enjoying themselves thoroughly with the group performance, whether it is solo performance. I could not stop myself being part of it, and I'm really thankful to the school to come up with such ideas every now and then. Like, every alternate month they come up with something really new and innovative. I'm really thankful and I'm happy that my child is a part of this school, and me being as a parent also part of this school. Thank you so much, and hoping for the more events in the line. Thank you.
Thank you, and may the shining moments live in our hearts forever. Stay rooted.